Do you have craft supplies collecting dust? Well, let's change that. I'm so excited to share my new altered entomology box class with you. If you've been hoarding craft supplies waiting for that perfect project, this is it. And some of you have been waiting years for this. In this class, you will learn how to create mixed media slides with lots of details for a grungy, vintage-inspired look, alter a glass display dome to look aged and beautifully distressed with crackle effects, make a mini album packed with mixed media techniques and different textures, transform a box to hold it all, creating a cohesive, stunning piece that ties it all together. This class is packed with mixed media techniques like creating aged textures with sprays and alcohol inks, using crackle paste for that authentic crackle effect, and layering for depth and dimension. The best part, you don't need to buy a ton of new supplies. I will try and show you how to use what you already have and adapt it to make it your own. And finally, put those supplies to good use. This class is pre-recorded so you can learn at your own pace, rewind, rewatch, and pause as much as needed. Plus, it's just $30 until March 31st. That's half off. When you join, you'll also get a PDF to help guide you through each project, access to a crafting Zoom session where we can connect, craft, and chat. You will also get access to a private Facebook group for extra support, feedback, and you can definitely get some inspiration there as well. You are not going to want to miss out, so grab your spot through the link in the description box below. I cannot wait to see what you create, and don't forget to stay creative, my friends.